learners, today we will solve one more question of an array is build array from permutations, which is LeetCode 1920 version. So in this question you just have to return the vector of size n and you just have to modify the vector answer is equals to means you just have to put the value of an answer I is equals to nums of I. So first you have to create vector in answer, okay, and first you have to define the n equals to nums dot size. You have to create the vector of n size and 0, okay, and after that you just have to rewrite the value for int I equals to 0 and I less than n and I plus plus. You just have to write answer of I is equals to nums of I. You just have to put the value, and after this you just have to return the answer. Okay, let's run it whether it is running properly or not. The time complexity is big of n. Yeah, this is running properly. Let's submit this. Yeah, this is accepted. So thank you for watching this video.